Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, good afternoon, viewer. KGR. Sorry for the noise in the background. You guys know I walk on the streets. That's something I cannot control. I apologize for that. In any way, if you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. Please consider subscribing. Support your boy. It takes one to know one. It takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. But I believe that there is nothing like I'm a self-made millionaire. Someone help you to get there. But having said that, please consider subscribing. KG, you know we're working on this 2003 Nissan Maxima. There's a code that came up, code P0335. The car is having a rough idle, you know, so I put a machine on it and the code came up, so we have to replace the crankshaft position sensor. Crankshaft, not cam, crankshaft position sensor. This guy is almost about 20 something years. I believe it's about time to change one anyway. So anyway, I'm going to bring you guys along how to do this job, where it's located. KG, you know my slogan, let's go. We're getting it right now. So if you're doing this home, you have to jack up the car and put a jack stand on it, because you are responsible for your own safety. Safety is number one. You cannot compromise that, okay? Because at the end of the day, you want to go back home to your family. Very important. So the car is up right now, so I put a jack stand on it. So the something is located by the driver's side, and the engine, just watch where I'm going to put, there's a light there. This is the engine mount right here. See if I can get that for you. It's kind of tight here though. Yeah, all right, let me get the light out and use that to display. So this is the engine mount right here. As you can see, this is the engine mount right here. See that? So the guy's right here. See where that 10 volt is? The light is shining too much. Yeah, right down there. That's where it's located. See, the place is kind of oily, so I have to get a brake cleaner. It's just we're taking off this bolt right here. That bolt, and we'll wash it out. You know, the car is leaking badly. It's something years plus. Anyway, let me go ahead and undo that. So, right back. So you can see I unplugged it already. You can see how that place is really, there's oil. If oil is going in that connector, that might even cause a problem. So I'm going to wash it out with brake cleaner, and then before we replace it. All right. So it's better if the engine is kind of cool up a little bit, because right between that place there, it can be a little bit hot. But I break my loose already. That's the guy right there now. See, my hand is going to be covering the thing. That's why I don't like shooting video like this. See, the guy's almost out right there. See there? That's it right there. This guy right here. Yeah, right there. That's it right there. There we go. That's the guy that we after. So we got one from Arch. You know, when you're replacing stuff like this, you want to get the good one. You know, not really the best from the dealer, but at least it's good. So that's what the guy look like. It's this 110 volts. This is the part number, Beccanelli as the maker. So that's the part number 1800501. Bring it out. Let's see right there. Make sure it has 3 pins. It don't have 3 pins. So you can see I have to watch out the connector and all of that before I replace it. All right, the new one is back in there. I just make sure before you put it in, check that there's an O-ring on that crankshaft sensor. Make sure there's an O-ring there. So everything look good. Just go ahead, clear the code and fire this thing up. KG. Nice one. So that's pretty much on this vehicle. Make sure you always wear a safety glass when you're walking underneath the car, because most of the time things is gonna drop on your eye. You want to protect your eye. Please consider subscribing and support your boy. That's all I'm asking from you. Do that for your boy. I'll see you next time on my next episode. KG, love you, peace. I am gone.